Hello, everyone. Today we are going to discuss on the topic how to become a pilot. So, let's start with our topic. When it comes to becoming a pilot, there are several pathways you can take. Pilot. An airline pilot is a professional who flies planes for a commercial airline that transports passengers and cargo on a fixed schedule. They are responsible for the safe and economical operation of the aircraft. Pilot courses after 12th. Opting for a commercial pilot training (CPL) program after 10+2 is yet another way to become a pilot after 12th. For this, you will be required to clear an entrance exam, interview, and a medical test as set by the institute. The fees of pilot training courses after the 12th ranges from 15 lakh Indian rupees to 20 lakhs and can also vary if you plan to study abroad. Here are the top institute for pilot training courses after the 12th. 1. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy. 2. Bombay Flying Club. 3. Rajiv Gandhi Academy of Aviation Technology. 4. Madhya Pradesh Flying Club. 5. National Flying Training Institute. Through NDA exams. In India, the coveted NDA exam is a golden opportunity for those who want to become a pilot after the 12th. Upon completing the 3 years long course, you also have to attend flying training. Thereafter, you will work as a permanent commission officer. Other essentials details on how to become a pilot after 12th. 1. It is necessary to clear the Class 2 medical of DGCA. 2. Join an aviation institute. 3. Fly at least 200 hours. 4. Clear the exams. 5. Get the CPL certificate. Pursue pilot courses after 12th. 1. Purdue University. 2. University of North Dakota. 3. Ohio State University. 4. San Jose State University. 5. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. 6. Academy College. 7. Hallmark University. 8. Spanton College of Aeronautical and Technology. 9. Rio Salado College. 10. Heroism Flight Academy. 11. Flight Safety Academy. 12. Singapore Flying College. 13. K. Oxford Aviation Academy. Best Indian Colleges. 1. Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy. 2. Bombay Flying Club. 3. Rajiv Gandhi Academy of Aviation Technology. 4. Madhya Pradesh Flying Club. 5. National Flying Training Institute. 6. Ahmedabad Aviation and Aeronautics Limited. 7. CAA Oxford Aviation Academy. 8. Indigo Cadet Training Program. 9. Government Aviation Training Institute. 10. Puducherry Thakur College of Aviation. 11. Government Flying Club. 12. Orient Flying School. 13. Institute of Aviation and Aviation Safety. Types of pilot careers. 1. Airline pilot. Airlines pilot works primarily for airlines that transport passengers and cargo on a fixed schedule. 2. Regional or commercial pilot. A commercial pilot is involved in flying regional airlines to carry passengers and cargo at shorter distances. 3. Corporate pilot. A corporate pilot flies a company aircraft, carrying passengers for official work trips. Corporate pilot work for a large business that owns corporate jets or for a private service that rents out planes when companies need them. 4. Fighter pilot. Also known as a military pilot, you will be trained to work for the Air Force or Army, flying military aircraft and transporting military cargo and riders. 5. Charter pilot. A pilot flying travelers to specific destinations is known as a charter pilot. It is also termed as an air taxi. Charter pilot earn money by flying small groups of individuals over short distances in small airplanes. Certifications to become airline pilot. 1. Aviation. Aircraft ground support equipment. 2. Security operations. Processes and strategies in aviation. 3. Aviation. Airline customer. 4. Cabin crew training. 5. Service course. Aviation industry. UG courses to become pilot. 1. BSc. Bachelor of Science, Aviation. 2. BBA Aviation Operations. 3. BBA Airport Management. 4. BSc. Bachelor of Science, Aeronautical Science. 5. BMS in Aviation Management. 6. BE. Bachelor of Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering. 7. BE. Bachelor of Engineering, Aerospace Engineering. 8. B.Tech. Bachelor of Technology, Aeronautical Engineering. 9. B.Tech. Bachelor of Technology, Avionics Engineering. PG courses to become pilot. 1. MSc. Master of Science, Aerospace Engineering. 2. MBA in Aviation. 3. MSc in Aviation. 4. MSc. Master of Science, Aeronautical Science. 5. ME. Master of Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering. 6. MTech. Master of Technology, Aeronautical Engineering. 7. MTech. Master of Technology, Aerospace Engineering. 8. ME. Master of Engineering, Aerospace Engineering. 9. MTech. Master of Engineering, Avionics Engineering. Skills required. 1. Strong technical skills. 2. Critical thinking and decision making. 3. Situational and environmental awareness. 4. Good communication skills. 5. The highly focused and disciplined personality. 6. Striving continually for excellence. 7. High level flexibility. 8. Mental stability and physical fitness. 9. Good sense of teamwork. 10. Inherent or learned leadership quality. Major recruiters. 1. Air India. 2. Indigo. 3. Air Asia. 4. SpiceJet. 5. Air India Charters Limited. 6. Alliance Air. 7. India Jet Airways. 8. Air Costa. Salary of pilot. In India, upon completing 250 hours of flying, to pursue a career as a commercial pilot and can earn 1.5 to 2 lakhs monthly salary. If you're choosing the route of the Indian Air Force, your yearly package can go around 5 to 8 lakhs per annum. Do like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.